Here's a basic understanding of how state funds work. Meet Kristen. Kristen is a potential claimant. Kristen is 35 years old. She grew up in LA, but she moved to San Diego in 2013. When she moved, she didn't update any of her contact info so she could have a fresh start in a new city and not be contacted by anybody. Kristen has a mom. Kristen's mother's name is Mary. Kristen and Mary were never very close. Kristen always blamed her single mom for all of her troubles in life, thus why she ran away for a new start. Mary created a will in 2012, so when she passed, Kristen could have all of her assets that would be left behind. The will stated that Kristen would receive her mom's $25,000 life insurance policy. Unfortunately, Mary passed away in 2015. Of course, Krista didn't show up. She didn't have the gas money to go. The insurance company sent Kristen the money from the insurance policy to the address her mom put down in the will when it was created in 2012. The check was returned to the insurance company and then sent to the state, becoming unclaimed funds. At this point, Kristen is too busy enjoying her new life in San Diego and has no idea she's owed any money. Ivan, the investigator, just got a new stack of leads, and Kristen's name is on it. Ivan looks her up and makes a cold call. Ivan calls Kristen to tell her what he's discovered and to ask if he could help recover the unclaimed funds for a small fee. She says, "Hell yeah, send me that paperwork and the notary ASAP. It's so sad that my mom passed away. We were always super close." Ivan sends a mobile notary to her house in San Diego the next day. After she's signed, the notary sends all the signed documents to the state. 6 weeks go by, and both Ivan and Kristen get a check from the state, and everybody's happy.